Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm going to show you guys something. You guys know I love to show you guys bang for your buck and inexpensive craft supplies and art supplies. And with the way the world is right now, with really not being able to leave your home as much as we used to be able to, Amazon's like the place to be. Well, I found these, and as you guys know, I'm a Crayola markers buff. I love using them. I love using their watercolor markers and all that kind of stuff. But they have a quick dry paint stick set on Amazon. I got 12 of them for $8.99. And if you're interested, I'll link it down below. I mean, oh my gosh. So let me just show you. This is how they come. Crayola. I am not affiliated with Crayola. Crayola doesn't even know I exist. And if they did, they'd probably say, girl, send it back. You know what I'm saying? We don't want you representing our product. But these are great. Now, I got a 12 pack. These were $8.99. And, oh gosh, I'm so excited. So let me just show you a few things. I'm not going to keep you here forever, but they're fantastic. So I have a piece here that is already done, you know, that I did a while ago. And then here's just a piece of white paper, you know, like art journal paper. So I'm going to go in with, let's go purple, my favorite. And this is what they look like. They just look like a, right? And you just twist it up. Okay. I don't want to twist it up too far because y'all know I'm a mess. Okay, so, I mean, when I do mixed media and all that, I love to work on top, and I love to stamp, and I love to do all those kind of things. So just let me show you a few things I'm going to do. So this is very opaque over another color, and you can see it works fantastic. They dry in 60 seconds. So, of course, being mixed media, this is what I do, but, you know, you can do whatever you want to do. But you can also, let me show you. I'm just going to go over that. I'm going to take a wet brush, not too wet because, of course, you know. If I go too wet, it'll go under. It's not what I want to do. Right on the red. Now I have this just left on my brush, so you can get, I mean, this is how fast it dries. It's not even coming off hardly, but you can see it there. So it layers, so you can get very intense, or look at that, you can get very faint, or we can, now remember, you got like 60 seconds to work with these. And what I love about these are, because I have RA and fibro and my hands sometimes are like, girl, we ain't doing nothing for you. These are like thick for me to hold. Oh God. Anyway, so if I go like this and I'm like, oh, I want that to be a little more. So before it dries, I can get going. And make it into a nice light watercolor. Okay? I mean, now look. This is, I'm going to tell you some hints. Because this is already kind of clear coated. I already have acrylic paint on here and all, so it's not necessarily going to dry as quick or as the same on here. But I don't think I have, let me see. Yeah, I do. Let me show you a stamp. I mean, honestly, you have to play and you have to, you know, do it yourself. I will do a quick swatch of them all so you can see them, but I want to show you this with a stamp. And then, come on. Okay, we're going to do a little alien head. And I'll do some scribbles on there. Go right where it's wet. Look at that. A completely fantastic stamp. Will it go over this? Oh, I just slid it. I slid it, but you can see it did some marking. Pushing too hard. Look at that. Oh gosh, I am so excited. And you can blend them. So if I go to, I mean, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Let me go to another page. If I go here and I'm like, let's do like, let's do red, pink, and orange. I don't know. I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to go like this. And you can go on very opaque. Very opaque. And we want to blend. Let's say we want to do a background. Then I can go in. I don't know where I can give this a quick squirt. And my brush was still a little dirty with the purple. Get some of that purple off. And you can blend. Look at this. Look how pigmented. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just can't even stand it. I love it so much. I love these. You're going to be able to see. You're going to be seeing me use these a lot. So if I dry him, I'll go right in and press. Oh my gosh. And then I can go over here. Look at that. What is my freaking life? In a good way. Look at that. Stamps, stencil. What in the world? Okay, so real quick, I'm not going to keep you all day because I know. All right, so we saw pink, orange, red. We saw the purple. And I love the box that it comes in, which is going to be great to put on the shelf. There's green. And of course, you know, you can always wet the paper first and work on it. Look. Green. I'll just wet some of the paper to green, green. And you get, oh gosh, you get blue. You get the brown. You get the yellow. Look how pigmented. You get a beige. It's like a nice skin color. You can work with that. Gray. And the black. Okay, so, and then it goes right back into this cute little box, which I'll show you in a second. These are one of my favorite things. Favorite new thing of 2021. Oh yes. Cheap, easy, and fun. Oh my God, she's on a roll. Okay, you can see they work really well, and these work so well over paint and different substrates, you know, when I'm doing my mixed media, and to get all these different, oh gosh. $8.99. What did you say, Kelly? $899? No, $8.99 on Amazon. Come on. And like I said, you can use my link. I appreciate it. I get a couple cents. If you don't want to, some people get very angry and don't want to use the links. You don't have to. Go buy it yourself. You can also get them at Michael's and all. I don't know if they sell them in store or not, but I know you can buy and have them delivered. You know, but you have to check what your store, you know, has. All right, I'm not going to sit here and bother you and play, but oh my God, so much fun. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Look, look. And they dry fast. Let me show you. You know how I'm always like, okay, if you don't have a heat gun or a hair dryer, just leave it dry for a second. Fast, fast, fast. And you can get you a set, your kids a set. You can put it on your non-stick mat. and, you know, take it up like it's paint. When you're laying in bed and you're like, I can't even move today because it's just a bad day, or the kids aren't feeling good, or you want the kids to have something to do, these work. But let me tell you, for me, they're a winner. They're a winner, baby. I mean, oh, it's just, oh my God, I'm in love with these. So let me show you real quick the box. You can take one of your water brushes that you just put the water in and go sit in the bed. Oh God, this stuff is gonna help me. Quick, dry paint sticks. Crayola. You get this awesome box that it comes in, and like I said, I mean, $8.99. You can't buy paint. All these colors for $8.99, and you can mix them and get different colors. Maybe, you know, you want a purple, or, you know, darker purple or whatever, and you can add a little black to it. You can do all the things. This, my new obsession, and I hope it becomes your new obsession. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if you guys have used this. And again, links down below. Otherwise, they're called Crayola paint sticks. I have a couple more cool things coming up in the next couple of videos of things that I found very cheap, easy, that I'm in love with. And I know you guys will be in love with too. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.